Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Self Massage episode 4. My name is Getty and I'm a registered massage therapist, and today I'm going to show you super easy technique how to massage your arm. Alright, so we are going to start from the shoulder down to half of your arms first by using your hands and then squeeze. Okay, so we will start squeeze from the deltoid first. So you will go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Like that. You can actually squeeze the whole arm too if you want to. So this motion will help with the blood circulation and then kind of get the muscle to release a little bit. And then after you finish squeezing, you can use the tip of finger or your thumb. Actually, I like to use the tip of the finger just because it's so easy and then pointed to right where the front deltoid muscle is. And then once you put your palm on your chest like that, and you will use your tip of the finger, press in right in front of the shoulder joint, and then kind of manipulate a little bit like that, and you will feel that muscle that clicking, like click click. So we're going to massage that tendon or that muscle as well. Okay, so mine is right here. So once I'm pressing, you're not gonna let it like click over it. You're gonna press where the muscle is, like don't click over it, but just like place on in the middle. That, and then once you press it, you're gonna count to 10 seconds, okay? And then release. And again, press 10 seconds and release. So in this muscle, if you have problem, then what happens is you will feel the sharp pain down to your arm. So a lot of people have this problem just because of the posture or whatever that you do with your arms, like lots of computer works or even lifting a lot, that would make the muscle kind of tight as well. So you can just doing that, pressing down and release it, or you can use your thumb by grabbing your shoulder and then use your thumb and then like press in like that. So whatever you prefer. I think this part is easy, so then you don't have to kind of awkward position, and then just like keep massage that part, and it will help a lot with your arm sore or shoulder sore. Okay, so now you're gonna flip your palms down, and then we're going to massage on the extensor muscle. Again, use your forearm, press down from the top, bend your body down a little bit to get some weight on it. And again, like the weight, you can adjust as well. You know, some people like deep, some people like light. But for the first couple times that you massage, just make sure you go like lighter first, and then you add more pressure later. So go like that. And then you see how when I press down, I also move forward as well to the side. So give the muscle to kind of release even more. Again, 2 to 3 times, okay? Go up and down. And then you go down to your wrist. Just please be careful. Just don't put too much pressure on this part just because it's the wrist joint. You don't want to break that, okay? And then you're gonna move down to your hands as well, the top of your hands here. Just nice and easy. And then go along your finger as well. Just make sure you use forearm, do not use elbow for this part. Alright, so that's the top. Okay, so next we're going to massage your palm. So again, the same idea that I told you earlier, like by using the forearm, but this time you're gonna use the thumb, okay? So you can just start Find the bone. You can just find the bone. The bone will be literally just where the finger is, and then you will massage in between the finger like that. So what you will do is you just use your thumb and then just press and then grind like that, and then in between. Like that. And again here. That. The other side. Like that. And then again, from the extensor muscle as well, you just go in between your finger. Up. Good. And then we're going to press on the pressure point. So you will grab this big muscle here in between the thumb and the index finger, and then you're going to squeeze it 5 to 10 seconds, release, and do it again, squeeze and release. This side as well, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Good. And then finish with the F down. So you can use the other hand, kind of F down. So this movement will help with the blood flow. Just make sure that you finish with kind of relax the muscle out as well. And that's it for the palm. Okay, and then don't forget another side. You can also just squeeze first. That all the way, and then the pressure point by put your hands on your chest and then press into the shoulder, front shoulder, like that. Like that. So for me, for some reason, this side is not really tight, so I don't really feel much. You press and then just count like 10 seconds in. Okay. Or use your thumb and then just press in a little bit. And then finish with squeeze. Okay, so now we're gonna do the arm as well. So just make sure you go nice and easy. First, both flexor and extensor muscle, like that. And then now we're going to do the pressure point. Okay, so the pressure point, you're gonna press on the middle of the flexor muscle. All right. So this time you're going to use the elbow, the pointed elbow as well. Again, same idea, bend your body down when you press it. And then bend your body down when you press it. So this time, no moving your arm like this, no. Just because the elbow is very pointed, it can hurt your bone as well if you press wrong. So we're gonna do nice and easy and press down only, okay? Next, like that. Go down to close to your wrist. Press down. My arm is so sore. Good. Again. So normally I will do 3 points, so you can just kind of even them out, or you can just go by, like you literally can place any points around here, but just be careful the wrist. And then when you press down to your hand, just this muscle close to your thumb is the muscle, this muscle is always tight. So make sure that when you press it, you press right on the side of this part. So you can use your elbow and then just press down down like that. Just be careful. It can be very easy to tip down, just nice and steady. And again, each finger there is a bone here on your palm as well, right there. So we're not going to press on the bone. So you just have to make sure that when you press down, it's in between those two bones. Just be nice and easy. Don't press too hard on it. Good. And then again, palms down. We're going to do on the extensor side. And for this part, for me, I would use the same idea of how you kind of relax the muscle by using close to the tip of the elbow but not right on the point, because it can be very painful. Okay, so we're gonna do from the top down here. So this is gonna be a little bit tricky just because when you do the forearm, you can do just right in the middle, but this one you're gonna angle down from the outer part down to middle part like that. So you're gonna press down, it's nice and easy. Good. You can also count to like 5 seconds each point. Okay, and then for your top of your hand, we're going to use the thumb to press the pressure point instead of using the elbow. Okay, so you're gonna go from the top here, right beside your thumb. You can use your elbow and then press like that. Just like that. And then this side as well. Just go along your finger. And then this part, you can use your tip of your finger as well, and then just press. And again, your wrist, okay? So what I like to do, I use my thumb and my index finger here, and then grab in between the wrist, and then you squeeze in, move back and forth, back and forth. See, back and forth. So you go this motion like that, kind of release out the joint a little bit, so then when you move around, then it will be better. And then you can also use your thumb to kind of manipulate on the joint of your wrist as well. And that's it. I hope this video is easy enough for everyone to follow. If you have any question, please comment down below, or would like me to show you different part of massage, then you can just let me know. Comment here, down below here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next video. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye.